Hello everyone, I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today I'm back with another fun and creative tutorial. I'd really appreciate it if you could subscribe to my channel and give this video a like before we get started. It really helps support my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a cute beaded phone strap. For this project, you'll need two different types of beads and a strong, durable plastic cord. First, cut a piece of C-cord about 35 to 40 centimeters long. To make it easier to thread the beads, gently melt the ends of the cord. Just like you can see here, tie a knot at the top of the cord to create the part that will attach to your phone. Then, thread the different beads through the cord, alternating the designs from both. Finally, tie the two ends together at the bottom. It's better to tuck the knot inside the hole of one of the beads so that it stays hidden and looks neat. And Ta-da! Just like that, you have a cute phone or bag charm. These little charms are super trendy these days. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more fun and creative DIY ideas.